lovelies! So I've got some couscous, I've got some green leafy vegetables, I've got a few celery sticks, a medium-sized red pepper and some coriander. First, what I'm about to do is add some really hot boiling water into the couscous and make sure I do not add any butter or any sort of oil. I begin to chop the celery, but I hate these ends, they're so big, and I start chopping. Chop chop. Then I begin to chop some coriander, and we don't need the sticks in the end. Adding everything in the bowl as we go along, now we move on to the red pepper, and I will finally chop this as well. Bearing in mind we need to get rid of all the seeds inside the red pepper, including the middle core. Finally, giving it a nice mix, you can also add some salt and pepper and also some olive oil, which is optional. I personally love to add some lemon, which gives it a very nice zesty type of flavour, but that's optional as well. Finally, the couscous. See how granulated it is. I don't think that's the right word to use, but as you can see, every grain of every sort of couscous here in this bowl is so separated without butter or oil. Now guys, I'm gonna get out a pan and I will add some coconut oil to it. 2 tablespoons is what I'm putting here, but you're very welcome to put less. I then add some sea salt. This one is big grains of salt. However, you're very welcome to add fine salt, but I prefer this one because it's organic. And then I add my green leafy vegetables in this and leave it to cook for about 10 minutes. Here guys, I have my ready chopped suede and carrot mix. I have boiled these, so I just took that off the boil and I'm going to add it to a bowl, and then I'm going to add in here a few spices. Here I have a 1/4 teaspoon of chili, I have 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder, I have about 1/2 to 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, and I have some black seeds, and I thoroughly mix inside the bowl. Guys, now make sure that you're mixing thoroughly because you don't want any big bits of curry powder granulated in the corner of the bowl, and then it's going to come in your mouth and it's going to taste totally bitter. Now finally, I've brought my leafy vegetables from the stove. As you can see, they've gone really soft, and you can tell when it's totally cooked when a lot of juice has come out. I haven't added any water, but as you can see, there's a lot of fluid in this. Then I add a little bit of black pepper. Now this is just to give some flavor. So it's going to be salty and peppery, and it's going to give you the nice tang in this dish. And I also love to add my lemon. Now finally, so I bring out my plates to serve. I'm no decorator, I'm no 5-star Michelin hotel, but I will do my best. So first I love to put the main, what I call the main sort of ingredient, which is the couscous in this case. Then I add the cubed vegetables. Then I add the leafy vegetables, and then I add the salad. Now guys, I finally serve my dish. So here goes my lovely dish. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Subscribe, like and share.